Hari Om, this is Diana from Karma High. I'm here with Yogi Chandakant, and we've been doing yoga teacher training here in India, in Rishikesh at the beautiful Dayan Mandir Ashram. Today we're going to speak a little bit about mantras and their significance, how mantras can help impact your being, your way of being in the world, your life, and why they've been so important here in India for so many years. So today I'm going to ask Yogi a little bit about mantras. So Yogi, I wanted to ask you the question of mantra, the meaning of mantra, and the significance behind mantras in Indian tradition and Indian practice.
Yeah, the mantra yoga is a very important in India as from very ancient times, and our sages, rishis, maharshis, they all are practicing this. There is very well written in Vedas, manana trayate iti mantra, contemplation and concentration and reciting on any mantra, that called mantra yoga. Mantra yoga, it's a way to bring you in samadhi. Once you are reciting your mantra, body becomes purified and whole inner part becomes sattva. Purity, goodness automatically comes inside. And once you are totally pure, once you are pure from inside, from outside, once the purity come in you, so you are living in samadhi. So this is the goal of mantra yoga. It brings you in the state of samadhi, state of super consciousness, where you know everything. Just easy practice for us beginners. They can just put here like finger, index finger here. Or for second practice, they can make thumb here, in nose, and after easily take deep breath, back straight, then exhalation with honeybee sound. Very smooth breath from the nostril. Here in this mantra, this pranayama,
You can really
effect. Lot of vibration inside us, and energy we feel in our whole body. Something is flowing, and it is very good for heart disease and any high pressure. Maintain your and calming down your mind.
Wonderful. All right, Yogi, now I want to ask a little bit about some personal mantras. And we're going to move into some personal mantras I think are very powerful. I was wondering if we could go a little bit into the purification mantra and perhaps the lighting lamp mantra and the significance of those mantras and how they can be in our life.
Our rishis, our sages, before doing any type of practice, first they make their self purifier, and the area they make purifier. Inner part they make purifier. External, whatever is external, like as a body, as things, as the place, they are purifying. Apavitro pavitro sarvavasthangato piva. The meaning apavitra, purify all place, even outside, even inside, even your body parts, and even the place. Sthangato piva. Ye asmaret pundari kaksham. Purify the place, ground, purify that sky, ether, where you are. Asmarit Pundari Kaksham Sabaya Abhyantara Suchi. Abhyantar means internal, Bhyantar means external, and Suchi means soch. Soch is purification. Suchi.
Yeah.
Suchi. As we have in yoga niyama, soch, the first purification. So purification from the eyes also, from the mind also, from the kayik, vachik, manasik, from your body also, kaya, vachik, from your voice also, and from your mind. So purification very important. So now I will sing this mantra. So अपवित्रो पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थङ्गतो पिवः यस्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं सवाय्याभ्यन्तरशुचिः. Now you can follow. Read and follow. अपवित्रो पवित्रो वा
अपवित्रो पवित्रो वा
सर्वावस्थङ्गतोऽपि वः
सर्वावस्थङ्गतोऽपि वा
यस्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं
यस्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं
सबाह्याभ्यन्तरशुचिः.
सयवायन्तर्वयन्तर्शुचिः.
So this is purification mantra. Always once we are doing, so we will have water, any holy water, Ganga water or any place. So we will spend like this in the place, and we drop this in the places, all the areas in our mat. Or once we start any type of practice, the practice which relate with spiritual, which relate with good things.
So like opening
Yeah,
ceremony.
and you are whatever are influences there, like evil influences, they will go away.
Well, all negativity.
Yeah,
will
all
disappear.
negativity, that is the evilness. So that all tamasic tendencies are go away.
All laziness. all
And once you are having
heavy
this,
energy.
you have to be inside. Devotion is very important. In the Rudra Mantra there is written Bhavena Lavate Sarvam. Once you have a devotion, so you will get everything. Without devotion you cannot get. As you are taking any pills, any medicines, but in the mind is thinking that this pills cannot make me healthy, so you can't be happy.
Because
You
you've already
cannot
keep
be
on putting
healthy.
detoxings in your mind.
Yeah, your
and-
mind is still running, but if you have taken nothing, and after you are thinking you will be healthy, so you will get automatically health. So the devotion is very important. So purification mantra before starting anything is very good. And after we can go with another mantras, like lighting lamp mantras. Lighting lamp means not only once you are plugging plug on the switch light, not. Lighting lamp, you have to make light inside.
Inside your body and inside your being.
There is chakras, there is always the flame. But you have to create one flame there, one light there, so it will be always light. Subham karoti kalyanam arogyam sukha sampada atma jyotir prakashaya deep jyoti namostute deep jyoti parabrahma deep jyoti janardana deepo me haratu papam deep jyoti namostute. Very beautiful in a second line, atma jyoti prakashaya deep jyoti namostute. Hey light, I want to create light inside my soul, inside my body, so help me create one light there. Atma Jyoti Prakashaya Deep Jyoti Namostute. This type of light I am saluting. Please come on me.
I can actually feel it in my body the more that I sit with the energy. If you come from the mind, you can't actually experience it, but when you come from a space
And
in your
once
heart,
you are
it's
chanting
opening.
before opening the light, when you chant, your neck region will be relaxed.
Yeah.
Exercise will happen. You don't need to shout. You are chanting mantra, body is purifier, neck is purifier, your voice will be very beautiful. Soft voice, easy and calm voice. Total with rhythm. Rhythmic voice. And it will affect also in Manipur chakra. Fire is activating. Fire is coming in body, and when the fire is working the body, light come in your face, light come in your eyes, light come in your forehead. When mind is fit, body automatically becomes fit. So mantra have big effect, is giving very good effect in the mind. As the mind is pure, so there is no negativity. When there is no negativity, so there is no problem. See, positivity brings a happiness and negativity brings a problem. So you have to choose which things you want. If you really want through mantra release negativity, so you can try. It's for your life. I'm requesting to all of you that you can also practice and have new mantras and make mantra is your life. Hari Om.